We have this no stud, no anchors TV wall mount that was sent to me for review by the company. So I wanted to first say thank you for sending this to me to review. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, and while we're doing all of that and showing you the product, I'm going to be answering a lot of the questions that most people have about this product. So the first question, is it easy to install? And so as we can see here, let's show a little bit about the instructions on how to install this to show how easy it is. Here's our first set of instructions. Here is our second set of instructions. That's it. That's it. That's how easy it is to install. So a lot of customers have also been reporting that it takes about like 10 to 15 minutes and you don't need a stud. That is the one thing that I absolutely hated in the past, is having to try to find studs. I actually, on the bottom of my apartment wall, there's like, I've got like a hole here, hole here, hole here, hole, trying to find out where the stud is in order to actually hang my TV. But no longer will I be doing that anymore. And yeah, it's pretty disgusting to see that. So let's go ahead and take this out like so. And so the next question is, does it really hold up to 99 pounds? And yes, so this was able to successfully, right, it says here, it's able to successfully support a 12 to 55 inch TV up to 99 pounds, okay? And so it uses less than 15 to 20 small nails, and so each one of those can hold up to 5 pounds, and they should be spaced about like half an inch apart in order to be able to do that. So there's this. So it comes with this, what do you want to call this? So you have your, sorry, I'm trying to figure out what to do with all of this stuff. Let's start with this. There we go, it'll make it easier to talk. Okay, so here it comes with this bag right here, and your bag has all of the screws that you need, all of the spacers that you need. Then here we have our second bag with all of your screws that you need, washers and your nails. And then the most important thing is it comes with this leveler right here, which is extremely, extremely important. And then what else does it come with? We have our TV mounting brackets, and we have our wall bracket right here. So those are all of the things it comes with. And we also have our security cable right here as well. And so I would say, again, for the ease of install, something that only comes with that many, basically like this is the whole product right here. This is the whole thing. The other wall mounts that I have, you know, those gigantic ones that are like all of this, and then so that way your TV can like turn and do all of these other things. And then this is like this. You know what I'm saying? So it can't get any easier than that. Okay, so let's get back to some of the questions that you guys have. And so how many nails do you actually use? It says 15 to 20 nails. And so we can see here, you can see all of the number of the nails that it comes with. So 15 to 20 nails, and for the maximum support. And will it work on plaster walls or textured walls? It is not recommended. Customers usually, the people usually are reporting that it works best on standard drywall. For plaster texture walls, the small nails may not hold up securely. Consider a stud mounting option for those types, okay? So that's very, 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 very important. And so it says, how close does the TV sit to the wall? It says very, very, very close. If we look at this, it's basically 1.1 inches from here to here where your TV is going to sit. So let's go ahead and take this plastic off so you guys can see it better. So yeah, you guys can see that's only 1.1 inches. Okay, so it's fine. And it says, what VESA size does it support? VESA size 100 to 100 millimeters and 400 to 400 millimeters. Again, usually that's the converting sizes of like 13 to 55 inches. And it says, is there a security cable included? Yes, I've shown the security cable right here. Bam, you have your security cable. And how durable is it long term? And so most people have been saying that the TV has been able to stay secure for way more than a year. No issues at all. Nothing, no problems. It says, can I remove and remount the TV later? Yes, but, right, there's a but, there's a but. There is a but. You can slide the TV mount off the wall brace without removing the wall bracket itself. However, you should, if you fully remove the wall mount, leaving all of those nail holes, they could easily be covered up by drywall. And then you would have to, for the most part, move it to a different location. So it's like, I don't know. If I put it here and, oh wait, over here. If I put it here, and then I wouldn't be able to put it here again because the holes are already there, but you can just move it up to the next area, or you can move it down, whatever you would need to do if for whatever reason you need to do that. And it says, what if you don't have the instruction manual? There are plenty of YouTube videos, or you can contact the company and they would be more than happy to send you some information about how to install it. So hopefully this has helped make your purchasing decision a little bit easier. And again, thank you to the company for sending this out to me.